Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I am going to make a mutton dum biryani in my Royal Kitchen. Before going to cook the recipe, I want to make a request. Please subscribe my channel. Then only you will get further notifications of my coming recipes. I am profusely thankful to all my viewers for your constant support and encouragement. Now let's get started. To make mutton dum biryani, I have taken 1 kg of big pieces of mutton and I have soaked the mutton in water for 1 hour. Now drain out the entire water. In a pan, take 1 teaspoon full of ghee. To this add 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 1 big cardamom, 4 small cardamoms, 3 small cloves and 4 big cloves, half a nutmeg, that is jaffle. Take half javitri flour, add 2 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of shajira, 1 star anise. Fry all of them well until all of them comes to a splutter. To this add 6 split green chillies. Salt all of them well. To this add 2 tablespoons full of ginger garlic paste. Fry all of them into a golden brown color. To these fried spices add 1 tablespoon of fried onions and fenugreek leaves. To this add 1½ tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Fry all of them for half a minute. Now transfer all the spices into a mixer grinder. To this add 1 tablespoon of salt or as per your taste. Add 1 cup of chopped coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I have added 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Add 1 cup of curd and mix all of them into a smooth paste. I have transferred the soaked mutton into a pressure cooker. Now add the grounded spices paste to this mutton. Add 1 cup of rinsed spices water to the mutton. To this add 1/4 cup of mint leaves. Mix all of them well so that all the spices coated well with the mutton pieces. To this add 1 cup of fried onions leftover oil. Mix all of them well. Keep it aside for half an hour. If you have more time, keep it for overnight. Take 20 to 25 saffron strands. To this add 1/3 cup of milk. I have taken 1 kg of rice to make 1 kg of mutton dum biryani. It is 3 measures with this glass. Take 9 measures of water to cook the rice. Now wash and clean the rice. I have kept the water for boiling. I have taken 9 glasses of water. Our rice is 3 glasses and I have taken 3 times more than the water to cook the rice. Let the water comes to a boil. To this boiling water add 4 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of shajira. To this I am adding the washed 1 kg of basmati rice. To this add half a cup of crystal salt. Mix all of them well. We have to cook the rice up to 60 to 70% only. Here I have not soaked the rice. I have just washed and strained the rice. With open lid only we have to cook the rice, otherwise the water may split out of the vessel. Add enough salt to the rice because when we blanch the rice, the entire salt will be drained out from the rice. Take out the foam formed on the surface of the water. Gently stir the rice and check whether it is cooked up to 60% or not. Now I have cooked the rice for 60%. Now drain out the entire water and strain the rice. I have strained the entire rice and kept the leftover water aside. Now take a thick bottomed pan and keep it on the stove. Keep the flame high for 5 minutes and keep the marinated mutton vessel on the hot pan. Now transfer the entire strained rice into the pan which contains marinated mutton. I have transferred the entire rice into the vessel. Now add 3 tablespoons of ghee on the surface of the rice. Spread it all over the rice and this add some chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. On this add the soaked saffron milk. Add 1 lemon juice on the surface of the rice like this. Put a whistle and keep the flame in high and cook for 5 minutes in a high flame. After 5 minutes, keep the flame in low and cook for 50 minutes to 1 hour. Now 50 minutes are over. I am opening the lid of the pressure cooker. Wow, very good smell of the spices is coming out of the dum biryani. Now let us check whether our biryani is perfectly cooked well or not. Let us plate it. See our rice grains are very well cooked. They are falling freely and they are not stick to each other. And I will show you the mutton piece also. See, it is very well cooked. It is very hot now. See, it is very well cooked. It is smooth and tender from inside also. See, now our yummy, delicious, mouth-watering kacha mutton dum biryani in a pressure cooker is ready. Our rice grains are not at all stick to each other. See, this is the rice grains left in our pressure cooker. They are also granular. They are not stick to each other. I hope all of you would like my recipe. If you are really liked my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will show you one piece by tearing one piece. See, it is smooth and tender. Mutton is smooth and tender from all the sides. It is cooked so well. I hope all of you would like my recipe. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you with one more new recipe. Till then, take care. Thank you. Our biryani is very delicious, flavorful and eye-catching.